Today, we're looking at BUR3 acrylic-based pipe wrap repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems can be lack of reinforcing, shrinking pitch pan fillers, or just plain bad design. Let's look at a better way. To start, always clean the surface. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. Using APOC's incredible fleece top tape, measure, fold, and cut out a finger wrap. After cutting the finger wrap, remove the release liner and apply the wrap to the pipe. For ultimate adhesion, work in the incredible tape with a seam roller. Apply the APOC 264 flash and seal. Work the 264 flash and seal towards the outside edge of the tape and up the penetration. Using the pipe as a guide, measure and cut a piece of 483 polyester. Apply a pre-cut piece of 483 polyester fabric over the 264. Using a brush, embed 483 polyester into APOC 264. Apply the final coat of 264 flash and seal to the horizontal surface and the pipe. For a professional look, remove the masking tape. Now your APOC BUR3 acrylic-based pipe wrap repair is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.